One of the most exciting yet intimidating times as a collector is when you're making the plunge to acquire your first luxury watch. But how do you navigate this? Where should you begin? The goal of this video is to help guide you through some of the best first luxury watch choices. These are watches that are safe, versatile, and will work in a variety of scenarios while not breaking the bank. I'll be focusing on watches under $10,000 with one exception I'll mention along the way. When it comes to luxury watches, the first brand that comes to mind is Rolex. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual is an entry-level model from the brand, yet it delivers an everyday wearable watch that's still a great investment. You can choose from a variety of sizes, with 36mm being a classic size for many and 41mm offering a more modern approach. The Oyster Perpetual is powered by the Rolex caliber 3230, offering a 70-hour power reserve and excellent accuracy. Plus, it comes in a variety of dial colors, so you can pick something playful or more down-to-earth. Next, we have the Rolex Explorer, a watch that might just be the one-and-done choice. It's available in 36mm and 40mm options, with the same caliber and movement as the Oyster Perpetual, but with a more refined dial layout. The Explorer's 369 dial design gives it a slightly dressier feel, making it versatile enough to wear with both casual and formal outfits. If I could recommend one Rolex to do it all, this would be it. Now, let's talk about the Rolex Submariner. While the Submariner date is just over $10,000, the Submariner itself comes in at $9,100. It's an iconic dive watch, and I believe it's worth the exception to the $10,000 rule. The fit and finish on the Submariner are some of the best in class. It's a professional-grade watch, but also practical for daily wear. Think of it as your favorite dish at a restaurant. It might not wow you like the first time, but it's always reliable. Now let's move on to Omega, which is another strong contender when you're looking for your first luxury watch. The Omega Aqua Terra is a versatile watch that has many variations, including the black lacquer dials, which I consider the most flexible for different occasions. Available in both 30mm and 41mm sizes, it's water-resistant up to 150 meters and features either the 8800 or 8900 movement, depending on the size. The black lacquer dial provides a sleek and minimalist look, making it perfect for everyday wear. Shifting gears to IWC, the Mark 20 is a fantastic choice. It's the follow-up to the Mark 18 and has seen significant upgrades in design and performance. With a slim 40mm case and a 49mm lug-to-lug length, the Mark 20 fits comfortably on most wrists. It also offers a 5-day power reserve with its automatic 3-2-1-1-1 movement and a variety of dial choices. It's a watch that's equally at home in a formal setting or paired with casual attire. Now, for a true luxury watchmaker, we have Grand Seiko. The Grand Seiko SBGA 4113, known as the Spring Drive, is one of the best models to get started with. The 62GS case is my favorite, and its 40mm size makes it comfortable for a wide variety of wrists. The dial is a work of art, with a texture that's almost perfectly imperfect. Powered by the Spring Drive movement, it offers accuracy and efficiency, with a 70-hour power reserve and the unique charm of mechanical movement. Let's not forget the Omega Speedmaster, a true icon. The Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch is now available with the 38-6-1 movement, and it offers some slight but important updates, like the Sapphire Sandwich version. With its 42mm case and a 47.5mm lug-to-lug measurement, it's one of the most universally wearable watches out there. Plus, the Speedmaster is a master chronometer, offering exceptional precision and performance. For a more modern dive watch, we have the Tudor Black Bay 41mm. Tudor has recently upgraded its Black Bay collection, and the 41mm model with the new MT movement is an excellent choice. It has a 70-hour power reserve, a 49.3mm lug-to-lug, and wears more compact than you'd expect for its size. With a new bracelet design and improved thickness, it's perfect for anyone looking for a robust luxury dive watch. Longines is another brand that deserves mention. The Longines Spirit Zulu Time is a GMT watch that blends luxury with functionality. It's available in 39mm and 42mm sizes and comes with a COSC-certified movement. It's a great option for those who want a true GMT watch without breaking the bank. The Zulu time also brings in a rich history of aviation and pilot watches, adding even more allure to the model. If you're looking for an affordable luxury dive watch, the Omega Seamaster Diver 300 millers is a no-brainer. It's priced around $6,000 and is one of the most complete watches in that range. With 300 meters of water resistance, a ceramic bezel, and a wave-patterned dial, it offers fantastic value. The Omega 8800 caliber provides a 55-hour power reserve, and the watch looks great from every angle, thanks to its double AR sapphire crystal. For chronograph lovers, the Breitling Navy Timer is a classic. With the automatic Breitling Bezo 1 movement, it offers a 70-hour power reserve and superb chronograph functionality. The Navi Timer's history and aviation design makes it an iconic choice for collectors. Finally, let's talk about the Cartier Santos de Cartier. A true classic, the Santos is an elegant yet sporty luxury watch with 100 meters of water resistance. The bracelet adds to its versatility, allowing it to dress up or down depending on the occasion. With its rich history tied to Alberto Santos Dumont and aviation, the Santos is a perfect first luxury watch. So, whether you're looking for a watch, for the office, casual wear, or something more formal, these watches offer a great starting point for anyone looking to enter the world of luxury timepieces. Now, if you're interested in more affordable options to start your collection, check out my video 7 watches that look like luxury but cost less than you think. Or dive deeper into building your collection with top 12 watches to start your watch collection. Affordable, durable, and stylish. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.